See the bird. Ayan. What the bird is doing there. The bird is there. I don't know what the bird is doing on that tree pot. Laying egg or what? Hello, birdie, birdie. See? Kaloka. The bird is maybe laying egg over there. So cute. She's on the window. Hello, birdie, birdie. What are you doing there? Dapat kasi, ayun na. The bird is laying egg, I think, or take some rest. He always there. I don't know, maybe the neighbor is not around. Wala siguro din. May sakyan ng bahay. Diba? Bye, birdie, birdie. See you next time. Bye. Many trees here, that's why I think he wants to rest. See the bird. Bye, birdie.